In this video, we're going to be discussing private post and who can see post on certain pages. I want to first say that the only sure way that I recommend Facebook users sending a private message is by using the message app inside of Facebook. Now, sure, there's settings that you can adjust and things that I can tell you that may be the only way that a person can read posts or see particular posts in certain places. But the bottom line is, are you willing to chance whatever you're sending that everyone could possibly see it? Now, my answer to that question is definitely no. But if it's not something that's very personal or something that's really, really private, it may not be a big deal. But I'm not speaking about those particular kind of messages here. I'm referring to things that you want no one to read except the person you are sending it to and yourself. And that boils down to using only the message app. That's the only one I trust. There are settings that you can adjust to make it where you're supposed to be the only person that can read it. But there again, I don't trust those settings. So that is my take on that. So we'll leave it at that and move on.